Angela, what's the matter? Hit me with a chew! Hit me with a chew! Hit me with a chew, 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 chew! Let's go! Hey, DeLorean, do you like, no, sorry. Hey, DeLorean, please, will you drink Coke? Soda? DeLorean, I'm hungry. Oh, DeLorean, I'm so hungry. Please, I like pizza. Oh my god, you destroying us now by paying back your brakes. Oh, sorry, DeLorean, don't like you. Hey, Ellie, do you like drinking open soda? Hey, Ellie, do you like that pepper? Do you like Pepsi? Hey, Delana, do you like drinking open soda cook Christmas? Yay! What is happening, DeLorean? Oh yeah? Yes! I know though! Star Christmas 99 DeLorean! Why? I don't know talking you! But don't really mean DeLorean? Yes, DeLorean! I know I will like pizza, drink Coke, then ride that video game. There is a studio that produce animation. Yes? No? Whoa, Angela, you good mouses? You superpower? Caramba! Caramba! Yes, I'm the ice cream. Yes, drink milk like the cats. Chocolate jojoba. Capture Angela. You angry? Oh no, police! Oh my god, capture Angela. Why you quick bad cry? Oh, DeLorean, why you quick back cry? Why did he cry? Whoa, Angela, hey, you like coffin? Wow, let's say drink choose a mugger.